On my recent cruise on board the MSC Meraviglia, I had cabin 9156. This is a deluxe balcony. It is on deck number 9. As you can see here, we have a balcony, which the nice thing about where this cabin is, the balcony is a little bit larger than some of the other cabins. Standard balcony is about 44 square feet. I would say this is probably somewhere near 60 to 70 square feet. I didn't measure it, but there is plenty of room out here. You could fit more than 2 chairs easily. You got that little table there. Inside, we got, of course, the large bed there for everybody, and the lights on both sides of the table. Here it's embarkation day, so they have the mat laid out so you can put your suitcase on the bed and unpack as needed. Over here we have the desk, which that is where you're going to find all your power outlets. You got 2 European, a USB there. You have 2 standard American outlets as well. That way you can plug into. It's nice to bring a cruise power adapter with you, like a power strip. Make sure it's not a surge protector, because those are not allowed on board. The closet here never seems like you always have enough space, because I overpack, but there's enough room for me. I was able to put everything I needed, a little lower hanging area and a higher hanging area. If you'd like some more hangers, you can always ask the room steward. They should be able to bring you some more. The couch, it also can become a bed. It wasn't needed on my cruise. It was just 2 of us. The bathroom, without washcloths. They finally did eventually bring us some washcloths. That's always been an issue for me on MSC. But here, place to put tissues, no tissues on board, speaker for announcements and what have you. Pretty standard cruise cabin bathroom here. A couple towels. Sink was pretty nice, good water pressure. That is one thing I always like, is a shower, definitely with good water pressure. Soap and shampoo there provided for you, as well as conditioner. That way you have that for your trip. So if you found this information helpful, definitely please hit that subscribe button. And until next time, in a small world, travels large.